Just like anything in life, things start going wrong. We're no different. We're a technical company. We produce software. We are constantly producing software. In fact, we've got a dedicated team, and every month we estimate around 1,000 hours of software development, which improves the apps and the processes behind the solution that you've just purchased from us. Now, when something does go wrong, what we've provided you is in your app an activity called Technical Issues. All you do is you click on Technical Issues and you log an issue with us. As you log that issue, our team will receive it automatically. As they receive it, they'll start working on it, and they may communicate and chat with you in the app to find out more and inform you of the status of what's happening and manage it accordingly. So we eat our own dog food. We're using our own product to service you, and in that we can see the extent of our service, our responsiveness, and actually solving the problems that you may have. We all have problems. It's not about the problem, it's about how we go about fixing it for you. And I just want you to know that we're dedicated to make sure it is resolved and looked after. And if there are issues that are not resolved, they get escalated and we get on top of it ASAP. Good luck out there. We look forward to working with you.
So our next activity is logging a technical issue. Technical issues can be any issue that you're experiencing on your end, be it on the web portal or on your device, your mobile device. Giving you access to this activity allows you to log it and have direct access to our in-house developers and our support team to ensure that this issue is worked on immediately, and you're able to then track the process and the progress of us correcting all these issues for you. So you tap on your technical issue. Again, you get directed to your technical issues home dashboard, and by tapping on capture, you'll see that this particular form is directly linked to our technical team that are ready and waiting to correct these as quickly as possible. And all you do is you go through this very simple form of giving us as much detail as possible to ensure that we can fix this without having to wait for back and forth information from you. So what environment does this apply to? Well, here we'll say in this case we are dealing with our live app. What version is it on? So obviously we just want to make sure that you're on the latest version, so you can let us know what version you are currently using. Then what is the issue? So this is a quick, simple explanation as to what it is. So I am getting an error. All right. Detailed description. So obviously we're wanting to know as much detail as possible in order to ensure that we can correct this, or firstly replicate it and then correct it on our end. So I was capturing a contact, and when tapping submit, I received an error. Okay, what type of issue is it? Well, in this case, it's not working. Then we want to know from you, is this Armageddon? So what we mean by Armageddon is that the issue is so restrictive that you cannot operate at all. Okay. Is it an iOS or Windows phone? Does it apply to the web app, etc.? If you're using a mobile phone, we would appreciate it if you just let us know which one you're using. So in this case, we've got an iPhone 6s on the go. And then any supporting images or documents. So here, the best thing for you to do is to actually supply us with a screenshot, okay, as to what the issue may be. All right? You can also delete that. So the best thing here is for you to supply us either taking an image of what the issue could be on someone else's device, or obviously you can just do a screenshot of your device and then attach it. So what company are you from? We're dealing with company X. All right, activity you were using. So we were using our customer experience activity, whichever one. And then if you know your exact establishments, for example, if it's only relating to your Sandton branch or to your Bellville branch, that's beneficial for us to know as well. Is there a workaround? Are you able to make do just for now, so we know just how important the issue is? So no, there's no workaround. Does this stop the business processing? So will you stop using the app? So yes, and if yes, please motivate why, because this is taken very seriously by our team. So yes, well, I can't capture any contacts. Okay. Client name, so if that's applicable. Are you in the demo or the live? So we can now say, in this case, we're in the live system. Could this have a direct, immediate impact on most users? Yes. And then please select, was it previously fixed? So if you've had this issue before, please indicate that to us. Could it be easily avoided by basic testing in your belief, etc. And then if you would like to, it's obviously very confidential, but if you could please give us the exact username and password you are using, that also helps us to better understand the issue. So once that has been captured and submitted, our tech team receives an immediate notification, and they're able to assess the issue that you're dealing with, and then it is then managed on our side at the Go Mobile team side, and you're able to then track any issues that you've logged yourself, and you can then go in, and again, if you're having any issues, you can talk to Mr. Support, how are we looking with this issue? And then support receives a notification, and he's able to update you immediately in the app and provide any feedback on the status of this issue. And once it has been resolved, you will immediately receive a notification and letting you know that this issue has in fact been sorted, and how it was sorted is also very important as well. So straight away, as soon as Mr. Support is able to respond, he can then let you know the status of the issue, and once it has been done, you'll then be informed to say that the bug has been resolved and we can move forward. So you can then see that the bug has in fact been resolved, and we can then resolve that issue, and we are happy that it has been resolved.